We talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You scrolling down here until you will find your apps. Click on it. It's going to take you to this list and there you're looking for Amazon Music app, or just click on search. So then here at Amazon Music, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage. Then you click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store. Just click on Play Store here. You search here for Amazon Music. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.